Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia Tigray crisis is that because 2 days ago, Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed, after tour to Eritrea, announced that Eritrean troops leaving the Tigray region. But now the latest news is that Tigray People Liberation Front claims that when they entered in Mekelle and Adigeret, the Eritrean troops were carrying 27 vehicles with tanks and Urals, and they were leaving the city of Adigeret. Because it is reported that the Tigray People Liberation Front army burned most of the vehicles that were taken by the Eritrean army, and the Tigray People Liberation Front captured the rest. Because Martin Plot, a former BBC reporter, said the Tigray People Liberation Front had killed 2,400 Eritrean soldiers in the war. He also said that 3 generals were among the soldiers killed there. And it is being said that the fighting between the Tigray People Liberation Front and Ethiopia's central government has doubled in recent weeks, with armed conflict raging in much of northern Ethiopia. After the announcement about Eritrean troops leaving the Tigray region, Tigray supporters claim that Eritrean troops still present in Tigray region in Ethiopian National Defense Forces uniform or shoes. And many sources claim that Eritrean soldiers changed their military uniform with an Ethiopian military uniform and still remain in Ethiopia despite the recent propaganda about Eritrean troops leaving Ethiopia. Because the Ethiopian government recently issued new Ethiopian ID card for the Eritrean soldier with Ethiopia's name and addresses according to sources in Ethiopia. Viewers, some pictures and videos shared about this claim. I will show you these picture and videos at the end of the video. And now a statement is issued by Russian embassy in Ethiopia. In this statement said that Ethiopian Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed and Eritrean has agreed to withdraw a limited Eritrean forces from Tigray, not a complete withdrawal of Eritrean forces from Tigray region. Because according to the statement of Russian embassy in Ethiopia, Eritrea and Ethiopia have agreed on a limited withdrawal of Eritrean troops, not completed withdrawal from Tigray region. So viewers, let's watch video in which Tigray supporters claim that Eritrean troops are present in Tigray region. So viewers, thanks for watching.
Alana. अन्य को सलाम दियो
سلام عليكم.
आवे नहीं खाई
واضح مني. ها؟ بلعبتنا جميعا.
هو
إني جبرسون غوندا يا مسي.
دحنا يجرم له
وستنا الله. أنت قاي كوفيا تفتح بالناس هذا. قاي كوفيا. يتفنجا. ها؟
دحنا يجزار مسكين. هو